Hi Jurassic Cuties! Today we're going to draw Mike Wazowski from Monsters Inc. So let's get started. To draw this cute monster, we're going to first start by drawing a very big circle for his eye. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a huge circle. Because it's so big, it's going to be a little bit harder to draw. So if you're not comfortable doing that, just kind of get a template, circle template if you need to, or something that you can trace. But I'm going to be lazy and draw my wobbly circle here. Okay, there. Now I'm going to come in here with another circle to draw the iris. So right here, just going to give myself a little border, follow my outside, and draw another circle. There. Okay, so I have the inside. Now let's draw more circles. We're going to make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to put one big circle here and then a smaller one. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. There, I have the eye in. Now let's come right on top of this eye and we're just going to basically draw a little arch over it. So about right here, towards the center, and start to come down. And then from there, we're going to start to draw his body. So it's kind of like drawing an egg. So we're going to start about right here, or I guess like an avocado. So we're going to start right there. I'm going to start both sides. Make it a little bit easier. So start bringing it around. And then we're going to bring it down more. So we're building this egg avocado shape right here. So before I finish that, let's come and draw the mouth first, so then I know how far to bring it down. So I'm going to come right under this eye and I'm just going to draw a very cute little smile. So I'm going to wobble a little bit and go up, and then right here I'm just going to connect it with a deep curve and go back up. And then I'm just going to come in here towards the end and cap it off. And let's draw his cute little teeth. So it's basically 3 curves. Just going to add 3 curves in there. And then the same thing for the bottom. And I'm going to come in here and shade this all in so you can see his teeth a little bit better. Okay, so now that I have his mouth in, I can kind of figure out how low to bring this body. So I'm going to come right here. We're just going to be right underneath it, about this much. So bring it down. So about right there, I'm going to go ahead and connect it. There. Okay, let's not forget our horns right here. Almost forgot about them. So we come back up here, about this area, and just draw 2 little horns. So one on each side. Come right across, give myself a point, just so I know where it is. Round it off and bring it back in. Okay, so then now let's draw his feet so then we can figure out how long to make his arms. So we're going to center this as best as we can. So about right here. And right here, I'm going to give myself 2 little marks. So that's going to be the inside of the leg. So it's about centered. And then I'm just going to bring this down. And then right here. So it's just a little bit easier to center it. And then we're going to bring it down a little bit more. See about right there. I'll stop and I'll draw this foot first. I'm going to come out with a curve. curve it down. So this is going to kind of meet it. And so to build all these little toes, I'm going to simplify it. So I'm just going to come here and go one curve, another one, and I'm just going to go ahead and connect this back in, and then we'll come in here and draw the little nails. So that's 1, 2. The original, they stick out, but it's a little bit harder to draw, so I think that works too. So let's come in here, makes it a little bit easier. So same thing, we're aiming right there, bring it in, and then we're going to flare it out. So we want to end at the same level, so about right there. Give yourself a mark so you know that's where you want to stop. And we're going to come in here once again, same thing. We're going to go 1, 2, and 3. And then come in here with the nails, very lightly. 2 and 3. Okay, so now we can draw his arms. So we come right here, about right here, and draw a long curve down. So it's going to be really long arms. Right there, we're going to draw his thumb, his hands. So long thumb, simplified, and his fingers. There. So now the same thing on this side, on the other side. So about right here. I'm going to bring this down. My hand here. Okay. So right there. And let's see, where are his thumbs? About right here. Thumb. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw his fingers. There. Now I have his hands in, and of course, because he's my Draw So Cute Mike Wazowski, I'm going to give him a little heart right here. I just love saying his last name. Okay, so that is pretty much it for this cute little monster from Monsters Inc. Hope you guys love how it turned out, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.